Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to create private games in Counter-Strike 2. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So here are the steps on how you can do that. So first, make your way to the matchmaking tab from the play menu, and there you'll find another mini tab called private matchmaking. However, the option will be grayed out if you are a new player or using a new profile and have not played enough games of the CS2, and many of the game modes like private lobby will be locked behind a particular number of games that you have played in casual mode. So once the private matchmaking is unlocked, you will be able to press the Shift Plus tab to invite friends who are added on this team, and you can also share the code for the matchmaking pool or enter a code yourself if a friend is the one making the lobby. And make sure that the lobby option is set to open party or your friends will not be able to join you. And once everyone is in the lobby, you will be able to set the map, the rules, and other conditions, and just simply select go to start the match. So that's it for this video. That's how you can make private games in your Counter-Strike 2. And I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.